Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 17. Dāwūd alayhi salam. Name: Dāwūd alayhi salam. Birth and lineage. Full name: Dāwūd ibn Isa. Born in Bethlehem, Palestine, from the tribe of Judah, descendant of Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam. Early life and talents: skilled warrior and excellent in archery, gifted with a beautiful voice, recitation of the Zabur, crafted armor from iron, skilled blacksmith, and we softened iron for him. The battle with Jalut, Goliath. As a young man defeated the giant Goliath, gained fame, courage, and trust among his people. And Dawood killed Goliath, and Allah gave him kingship and wisdom. Prophethood and kingship: became both a prophet and king over Bani Isra'il. Given the Zabur, Psalms, led with justice and wisdom. O Dawood, indeed, we have made you a successor upon the earth. Revelation: the Zabur, book revealed to Dāwūd alayhi salam, full of praise and wisdom, and we gave Dawood the Zabur. Worship and devotion: known for intense worship, fasting alternate days, night prayers. The most beloved prayer to Allah is that of Dawood. Fasted every other day, prayed 1/3 of the night. Justice and trials: renowned for fair judgment, resolved disputes with wisdom, tested with a legal case of 2 disputants, parable of 99 sheep, and Dawood became certain that we had tested him. Family and children: many children, most famous son, Prophet Sulayman alayhi salam, passed kingship and prophethood to Sulayman alayhi salam, and we gave to Dawood Sulayman. Miracles and honor: mountains and birds praised Allah with him. His voice moved all of creation in praise. Indeed, we subjected the mountains to exalt us with him. Death: passed away in Jerusalem at around age 100. Grave: buried near Al-Quds, exact location unknown. Legacy: left behind a legacy of justice, worship, kingship, and prophetic wisdom. Qur'anic mentions: mentioned 16 times across the Quran. Key surahs: Al-Baqarah, An-Nisa, Al-Isra, Al-Anbiya, Sabah, Sa'd. Key qualities: shukr, gratitude; adl, justice; zuhd, detachment from worldly greed; ibadah, consistent worship; shuja, courage; hilm, forbearance. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.